Okay, you guys, I'm back for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video, but I gotta get back used to filming because I haven't did this in a long time, so it's looking kind of beginnerish again when I had the format down packed and stuff like that. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna show you guys when I retile my kitchen floor. We wrap. I don't even know how it's gonna go. See what I'm saying about getting the format down packed. But anyway, we went to Sam's in this video also, and then we wrapped Miss I don't forget that lady name. God damn. Well, we wrapped her chair. She had bought a chair cover, and we just wrapped it and stapled it onto the chair cover. So you're gonna see a little clips of that. You'll see a little clips of dinner because you know I like to show y'all the dinner at the end of the night. So have a great week, and I'm gonna tell you guys happy Sunday because I will be putting this video out on Sunday, and I'm gonna try to like give you guys more videos since I'm trying to reconnect with you guys, and I'm trying to do it every Sunday hopefully. But yeah, give me time, but don't give me too much time. You know, if I'm bad at it, I'm bad at it. I've been doing this for like 8 years now, and it haven't really went anywhere. But um, the people that watch me, I'm happy that you guys are watching me, and that's what it is. I can't ask for no more than God allow me to handle. So I'm gonna handle the little people that watch me. But yeah, I gotta get back in the swing of things. That light look good right there. Oh, okay. I don't know what I just did, but that did look good. I gotta get back in the swing of things, and just give me a little time, and it should get better. Better with time. Yeah, have a great week, a blessed week. Be kind to one another, like I always say. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you, because I can't promise you anything, but I could do my best. Bye bye. Taking out these broke towels. Look, my feet. Ew. Taking out these broke towels and replacing them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to replace. 7 to replace. Some of them I ain't gonna replace. I'm just gonna let them be. But no, 8. Cause this right here finna come up. I made a mistake and broke it. I wish I could get these tied to stay this color instead of changing to that color. But these are the ones that fit without me cutting them in up here. I like this dark color, but I also like these. The light, it look like the Milky Way in space. That's why I like these tiles, cause they look like, space science book or something. But anyway, I gotta find a tile for that one, and a tile for that one, and one for that one. And then this one over here, it broke a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna have to find like a little something to go over these tiles. But this is what I'm doing on a Sunday. Just trying to get these tiles put back now. Trying to find the ones that fit. Alright. I ain't that stuff down yet. But this towel was broke. And this towel, I think that towel broke. That towel went. It chipped when I was taking that one off. This towel was not broke. It chipped when I was taking that one off. So this is that. So I got 10 pieces, and they were for the ones that was already broke here, but since I broke 2, I gotta go back and get some more for the ones in the back though. All right, let's go. Okay, I showed you guys this purse on the that when I purchased it. Well, I showed y'all the invoice when I purchased it. But this is the purse. I don't know what's going on with me, but in the summertime, I am liking more whimsical purses, like purses with like beads on it and flowers and stuff. So this is one of my bad purchase. And then I don't know if I showed y'all my other purse or not, but hold on. So this is the purse that I am currently toting now, and it got the wallet in now. Well, that's not changed, but the wallet came with it. And then I also got this purse in black. But I love hydrangeas, and when this purse came out, I think it came out like 1 or 2 years ago, I had to have this purse, and I don't know what made me get it in black and in white, because I just been toting this one. I haven't even toted the black one, but like I told you, I am in love with whimsical purses. If you've been with me a while, you know my children got me this 1 month of the way. So let's go back to the purse. So yeah, I finally got it open. That's this purse. This purse is so pretty. I like the beads and everything on here. I just like it. But the thing that I thought it was gonna be something. Oh, the wallet was gonna be bigger than what it was. I don't know what made me thought that this wallet was gonna be bigger than what it was, but this little bit old wallet. So that is one of my guilty purchases for the week. Too many dark spots. They say you can do 2. Let's see. I'm gonna do 2.